Welcome, today in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, then just click yes, I agree, pick close. Here tap to OK on the left down corner, and now we can see here the information with health of our device battery. In my case, that's good. Also, we can find here more information like the device level, capacity, battery temperature, more device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.